Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about the wind. The movement of air from high pressure area to a low pressure area is called wind. Wind, etymologically, wind is from Old English word winden, means twist or the natural movement of air of any velocity. So we can say what actual wind means. It is natural movement of air of any velocity. When wind blows dry leaves down the pavement or uproots trees during a storm. Sometimes when the wind blows gently, we can even see it blowing away smoke or fine dust. At times, wind can be so strong that it is difficult to walk against it. Winds can be broadly divided into three types. So we can divide these winds into three types. Number one, permanent winds. Number two, seasonal winds. Number three, local winds. Now we will discuss them one by one. What actually permanent winds are? Permanent winds are the trade winds. Westerlies and easterlies are the permanent winds. These blow constantly throughout the year in a particular direction. So we can say permanent winds are those winds, winds, trade winds, westerlies and easterlies, and they are the permanent, and they blow constantly throughout the year in a particular direction. Number two, seasonal winds. What seasonal winds are? These winds change their direction in different seasons. So seasonal winds are those winds which change their direction in different seasons. For example, monsoon in India, southwest and northeast monsoons. These are the best examples of seasonal winds. Now number third, the local wind. Local winds. These blow only during a particular period of the day or year in a small area. For example, land and sea breeze. So local winds are those winds, they blow only during a particular period of the day or year. They blow particular period of the day or year. They are the local winds. And the best example are the land and sea breeze. The hot and dry local winds of northern plains is called Lu. So this Lu is the best example. Not only Lu, Bora, Chinook and Khamsin. These are the examples of the local winds. So we can say these winds blow during a particular period or a day in a year in small area. That is why we can say they are the local winds. They blow locally. So we can say they blow locally in a particular period of a day or a year. The example which I just mentioned in northern plains is Lu, Bora, Chinook and Khamsa. Thank you.